only been like 8-9 months since I quit my job, which is it's quite heavy. Okay, we got it out. The packaging is actually really good. I'm surprised. I'm not sure if I quite like this either. I'm definitely gonna get rid of the pegboard right behind this thing just to put it in a more useful area, but I don't know how I feel about this. What do you guys think? I'm not a fan of it in my office, so I'm gonna temporarily put it in our master bedroom right here, just as like a deco piece. Not sure what I'll do with it, but for now, I'll just leave it here. Here's Ladybird. Good morning. Hi. Finished getting ready for the day, and this is my new camcorder. I'm really excited. This actually came yesterday and I was really excited to unbox it and everything. This is my first day trying it out and using it, just because I had to like charge it up yesterday, and by the time I got home it was dark and everything, so I'm very excited to start using this. So I got this camera used from B&H. This camera has actually been on my wish list for over a year, but with any purchase I make, I overthink it. I kind of write out the pros and cons in my head, and it just like sits in my mind until I could finally justify to buy it. And it's mainly because like I'm just such a frugal person. I think the plan for today is just to have kind of like a reset day. I spent most of the weekend just being out and walking around and just enjoying the sun, because it was really sunny in Seattle this weekend, and then this whole week it's going to be rainy and gloomy, so I definitely wanted to take advantage of the sunny days. And now I guess like the gloomy rainy days are just like my lock-in days, so I'm just gonna do kind of like a reset day, do some admin, plan some stuff for the week, and go to the computer in the afternoon. So much. Hi ho. Are you my little shadow? Hi. I just finished my workout class. That was probably the hardest class I've ever been to, and it's not even because I haven't been going consistently these days, but it's because the instructor really got some really good movements in. So I'm just like sitting in my car for a while, trying to recover from the workout before I head to get some groceries. We're out of like a couple of essentials like eggs and avocado, but till then I'm just gonna like chill here before I go. Like I'm really tired. I was considering going for a walk afterwards, but it is raining right now and it's not really a pleasant weather to walk around in. So I think I'm just gonna get some extra steps inside of the grocery store and then head home. Happy Wednesday. I'm just doing some work right now. The entire day it's been raining and I just looked at the weather forecast and it's gonna be raining the entire week, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's okay. Lately I've been really wanting to get back into yoga just because I feel like my body really needs it. I remember how much joy it brought me and I'm kind of in this phase where I want to start doing things again that, you know, made me happy and like have a good habit and workout routine and hobby like that. With all that said, I'm already ready to go to yoga. I have my leggings on and whole outfit right now. I don't know, maybe because it's winter and it's kind of slower during these months, I've been kind of motivated to get back into my old routine and like my old hobbies, but something about letting yourself do that just feels really good. If you also had something that you used to do but you've fallen out of the hobby of doing, maybe this is just a little reminder to give yourself an hour, even if it's just an hour a week, to do that, and maybe it'll make you feel better too. We came to the University District Quad in hopes to see some cherry blossoms, but they aren't bloomed yet. as I take a little break, I want to open up and set up my candle warmer. I think that's what they're called. So long story short, I leave my candles on accidentally quite often. I walked into my office one morning and I realized there was like this very unpleasant smell, and it was because I left my candle on all morning. Unfortunate, because I really love this candle too. My favorite candle scent is Volcano. You could find this at Anthropology. This one is actually from there, and I just got it because I really love the yellow tin. This was like my first purchase for the shelves after I set it up. But you could also get the Volcano candle, like the scents from Amazon. I think it's just prettier, you know, like the jars at Anthropology are just really aesthetic and pretty, which is why I got it there. But because I left it on for more than 12 hours, like it's already halfway gone. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's very unfortunate. I had to rearrange a few things, but what do we think? I definitely need to figure out some sort of wiring solution, because this is a very big mess right now. All right, so I'm also going to curl my hair. As usual, I am just using my T3 hair curler. I feel like I've really abused this. I think I've had it for like 3-4 years, maybe even longer than that. And I drop it a lot, so there's a lot of chips on here. So maybe I need a new one soon. Also, this thing broke off. Definitely heavily used. I thought while I do my hair, I would do a little chit chat session about where I am in life, because it's actually been like 8-9 months since I quit my job, which is really crazy because I feel like not a lot of things have changed in my life in terms of like big milestones. And I know I shouldn't do this because comparison is truly a thief of joy, as corny as it is, but it's very true. But I see other people who've probably been in the same situation as me in either way, and I don't know, I feel like I'm not as far as them, or I'm still just figuring it out. Obviously, everyone's journey is different and we have our own lives to navigate, but I do realize that the past 8 months that I have been outside of the corporate world, I haven't been putting all of that time and energy to myself, if that makes sense. I am the biggest people pleaser, and so I found that I was just saying yes to a lot of things that drained my energy. It wasn't exactly for me, and I was just doing things that, you know, ultimately didn't fulfill me in the best way. I feel like I just did things to make other people happy, and now I'm in this little mind shift change where I want to be as selfish as possible and just do everything for myself, fill my own cup, and take no time to waste for anybody or anything else. And I think that's a really good place for me to be in, at least, because growing up I was the biggest people pleaser. I was like the helper of the family, so I still to this day in my adult age need to navigate through that, because I'm just used to helping people and being there for others and like saying yes, but I'm healing my people pleasing tendencies. Still a journey as we speak. I'm not perfect and I'm still navigating through all of that, but at least I'm recognizing that the past 8 months I've been people pleasing and not really fulfilling or being completely selfish with my own time. So that is something I am changing and gonna work towards. Let me know if you guys feel the same way about it. But that's kind of what my mind has been sitting at for the past few weeks, because I just recently discovered that I need to be more selfish with my time. Also related to my hair, I always get asked about how I curl it. So as you could see, I take a chunk of hair and then just twist it out towards my face, like away from my face. Take a little out, twist again. And I just like repeat that until I get this. It's really humid in Seattle because it's been raining all week, so I'm gonna just use a little bit of hairspray. Anyway, I am considering doing a Q&A session for the post 9 months I've been outside of the corporate life and navigating and building my life outside of that environment. So if you guys have any questions regarding that, let me know down below in the comments. I'll probably make an Instagram post to gather more questions there too. So be sure to follow me on Instagram, and yeah, let me know if you guys would even want a Q&A. But for now, I think that's where I will end the vlog. So I will see you guys in the next video. And by the way, let me know if you guys been really liking this camera. Like, I personally really like it, but I'm curious what other people think. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.